Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can get black skin color in Roblox Mobile. So first up here is when you open your Roblox app, and then here tap on this avatar icon right here, the bottom middle of your screen, and then you will go here on your avatar. Now if we tap on this customize button at the left side of your screen, you'll find here an option which is head and body. So if we tap on this, and then we're gonna tap on this skin right here, and here you will find a 30 different colors that we're going to choose, but none of those here is the black skin. So as you can see, we have just a dark gray. And if we tap on this advanced option right here at the bottom right corner, and again, you don't have an option here where you can just get that black skin color. So we have here a limited skin color. So what you're going to do here is go to your Google Chrome. And then here on your Google Chrome, you just need to search for the Roblox game, as you can see. So tap on the first link. Now here on the homepage, you just need to tap on this continue browser right here at the very bottom of your screen. Now here on your Roblox homepage on your Google Chrome, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. And then here an option shows up. And what you're going to do is tap on this avatar option. And you'll be directly go to your avatar. Now here to open the Roblox avatar, you just need to tap on the three dots at the very top right hand corner of your screen. And then here you just need to check this desktop side. Now as you can see the screen display, it looks like a desktop. Now we're going to tap on this head and body and tap on skin tone. Now here as you can see the 30 colors, and we have to tap on this advanced button at the bottom right corner of that color box. And then you'll find here all the colors that we can use to change the skin tone of your Roblox character. And as you can see, we have now a black color. So if we tap on this black color right here, it will change your Roblox into a black skin tone color. So yeah, that's how you basically change the black skin tone of your Roblox. And if you go back to your Roblox app, as you can see, your Roblox get black skin color. So that's how you basically get black skin color in Roblox Mobile. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.